Do you know ghee can make you lose weight?
What?
Wait, are you confused? Maybe, but let me explain you. If you eat ghee in a right quantity in a right time, you can lose weight. The ghee has the biggest quality that it's lactose free. So even people who has dairy intolerance, they can eat ghee. If you mix ghee with lentils or stew, that can help you lose weight. Or if you eat ghee when you are hungry, that can help you lose weight. But if you mix the ghee with sugar, any kind of aggressive carbs like refined carbs or meat, that can lead you gain weight. If you have eaten properly and then you eat something with the ghee, that can also lead you to gain weight. So make sure you eat ghee in the right time, in the right quantity. How much to eat? Please read in the caption.